if P 3, 1, Q 6, 5 and R are the 3 points such that angle PQR is equal to 90 degrees and area of triangle PQR is 6 square units, then the number of possible points R is, here it is given a right angle triangle. Let's take the point P, Q, R. P is the point 3, 1, Q 6, 5 and let us consider R is x, y. Such that angle PQR is 90 degrees and area of triangle PQR is 6 square units. So first thing, we know that PQ is perpendicular to QR. PQ perpendicular to QR. So slope of PQ into slope of QR is equal to -1. Product of the slopes is -1. So slope of PQ I can write 5 minus 1, 4 divided by 6 minus 3, 3 into slope of QR I can write y minus 5 upon x minus 6 is equal to -1. So which implies 4y minus 20 divided by 3x minus 18 is equal to -1, or we can write 4y minus 20 is equal to minus 3x plus 18. So which implies here 3x plus 4y minus 20 will come, let's bring here, so 38. So 3x plus 4y is equal to 38. Let's make it as an equation 1. And now what is area of triangle PQR is given. Let's use the concept of area. Area is equal to 6. So half mod of determinant of, so you can take the points here x, y and 1, 3, 1 and 1, 6, 5 and 1, which equals to 6, or half times of x, y and 1. So by applying R2 minus R1, or applying R1, R2, R1 minus R2, x minus 3, y minus 1, 0. And here R3 applying R1 minus R3. So x minus 6, y minus 5 and 0, which is equal to 6. Or we can write, so mod of x, y, 1. So we can take the determinant here directly. So we can take the determinant 1 times of x minus 3 into y minus 5 minus x minus 6 into y minus 1 is equal to, this is mod, let us take in mod, which is equal to 12. So which implies here xy minus 3y minus 5x plus 15 and minus of xy plus 6y plus x and minus 6. So mod is equal to 12. So we can cancel here xy and xy, and the inside terms I can write minus 5x plus x minus 4x and 6y minus 3y plus 3y and plus 15 minus 6 plus 9 is equal to 12, or we can take minus 4x plus 3y plus 9 is equal to plus or minus 12, which gives you two equations. Minus 4x plus 3y is equal to plus 12 minus 9 plus 3. This is one equation. And let me take another with minus minus 4x plus 3y is equal to minus 12 minus 9, that is minus 21 is your third equation. And now by solving these two equations with 1, so solving 1 and 2, solving 1 and 3, we get the 2 points. We get 2 points, and hence we can say the number of solutions, the number of points can be taken is 2. The number of possible points can be taken as 2. 2 is the answer.